me. Hey guys, so today we are at the American Girl place and I'm feeling a little awkward because I usually don't film in here and there's literally no one in here, so this is a little weird. But today we are checking out the new stuff. Ooh! Ooh! So there are the new Truly Me's. There's this one, 80. She's too cute. There's 79. Oh, 79 is really cute. She's cuter in person. She looks a lot like Kanani. Do you want me to advertise it on my channel? Hey guys, if you want a McKenna bed, Grace has one for $500. Only used when she was 8. Stuff on sale. These are on sale. Those are on sale. I don't know if that's on sale, but it's under the sale thingy. And everything else is here. So let's go find all the new stuff. There's Nenea's new stuff. I don't think I've ever seen Nenea in person. So this is pretty cool. She's so cute. Ooh. Ooh.
Vivian, get this.
Where's that? Is that from Kit's set? Whose set is that from? Let's find out.
Right there.
Whose set is it? Let's find out. It's Melody's Travel Essential.
Oh, dude. Wait. You can go teach your sister.
So this is Kit's new outfit. It's got that little headband. It's got the button-up shirt and the overalls. The overalls are so cute. They have working buttons, which is pretty cool. And then this is, I don't know if this is new or not, but this is her kitchen garden stand thingy set. Yeah. And here's Nenea's stuff. Yeah, I think this is the first time I've seen this all in real life. My friends react to AG. Well, Grace, now you know what to get me for my birthday next.
This is sick. I love this. This is cooler than my record player.
So there's Luciana's new outfit thingy.
Whoa.
It's pretty cute. I like it. And there's her stuff there. Tenny. I don't think there's anything new for her. There's the new dance stuff and the new gymnastic stuff. Oh, and there is Truly Me 80 in her full glory. She's so cute.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It says new, but it doesn't look new to me because everything in here kind of looks the same. I feel like AG just kind of recycles things sometimes. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. This is the sunny day outfit and a sun fun outfit. I don't know which one is which, but yeah, it says new, so it's new. They have a food stand, some good Mexican food. Yeah. Oh, Tenny stuff all looks the same. And it's cute, but it all looks the same.
What?
These are the pajamas. And guys, look how cute it all is. So cute. So cute. I like those PJs too. Those are pretty cute. There is Rebecca's new outfit. I think it's pretty cute. That actually brings us to the end of the video, and this box right here is what I got at the American Girl place, or rather what I was gifted by my lovely friend Iris, so thank you Iris for buying this for me. This is a sneak peek for you here on the YouTubes, but if you are fiending for a spoiler, you can go follow me on Instagram because I already posted a picture of what I got, but you can see that it is a BeForever item, and the unboxing for this video will be going up next Friday here on Dolly Delights channel, so be sure you subscribe and stick around for that. And with that being said, that is also the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm grateful that you are here with me, following me along on this birthday journey for when I checked out the new stuff at the American Girl place. So if you did like this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for other videos like hairstyle videos, outfit videos, sewing tutorials, and more, all related to American Girl doll. And yeah, be sure you check out the vlog on my vlog channel for what we did besides seeing the American Girl stuff throughout the day on my birthday. So yeah, thank you again for watching this video. That's all I have to say. I will talk to you next time in the unboxing for this video next Friday. Bye!